cricket is a sport which we love. This story is about the entire journey of his younger days to his international journey, obstacles he goes through. Because we all have dreams. Everybody in India loves cricket.
We are here in India, in Jaipur right now. We're shooting the intro of the film with the kids. It's amazing to see and to feel the energy of the streets here. To make this film dynamic, we created some rigs. We wanted to have some specific and original shot with the ball. As it's a main guideline of the story, the idea behind was to make the ball relevant, following the timeline of the real life or main subject. We need some smoke too, please. You just like hit the ball and the excitement is more in the sound.
You do like one? Strong.
Okay, let's go. One of the main challenges of the project was to shoot a short film with a Xiaomi phone, trying to emulate high-end cinema cameras, and actually we were pretty amazed at the possibility we had so far.
Xiaomi